Stop right there. Back on my shit, let's stop right there. Is your girl really buff? Let's stop right there. Are you really on smoke? Let's stop right there. Now upon days, you're saying I've changed, cause I'm rocking out Louis in this custom J's. Chuck on this belly, go jump in the Addy, man. Aki, I'ma see you on the main, still dipping from the undies. Credit wanna cuff me, lock me up, cousin, just keep me the tains. Yeah, girl wanna up me, every time she touch me. Doggy eyes, bro, when it's really in her face, look. Cause I started from a 2 in the blue, 05, my bro, I was moving like the boogeyman. Car used to get that woulda, shoulda, coulda, all of that shit, all locked up in my Louis bag. See this man wanna tell you that he ain't well, more time I've been eating like the Buddha man. If I could've, then I should've, then I wouldn't. More time, if I didn't, then you know that I wouldn't, fam. Hold up, let's stop right there. Back on my shit, let's stop right there. Is your girl really buff? Let's stop right there. Are you really on smoke? Let's stop right there. Hold up, let's stop right there. Back on my shit, let's stop right there. Is your girl really buff? Let's stop right there. Are you really on smoke? Let's stop. Up in D square, bro, no icon, there ain't nobody, yeah, that wouldn't ride. Don't slap that, spin that whip, it's that wide, don't crush that. It's that shit you can't hide from. Talk about putting bros on, I put mine on. There ain't nobody, my brother wouldn't glide on. There's only a couple man that I can rely on. Car can't get snaked up, I no python. Bro, don't phone me, you don't really know me. Not one of you, man, know me like that.